Okay, so this is a take on a dog toy. So we've taken a Pringles tube. What I've done today, we've drilled some 13mm holes through this tube. Let me just show you. So I've used a 13mm bit like that. I've put about 2, 4, 6, 8, I've probably put about 10 holes in it so far. I'm going to see if that's enough. If not, I will increase the number of holes. And then next up, we'll seal the top. We can get the food through here, so that's fine. We need to refill it. And then we'll put her dinner in here, and we'll see if she enjoys having her lunch out of the Pringles tube. Okay, so I'm just going to weigh out. I'm going to do, in this particular case, 35 grams. There we go. I have put it down the tube, but they're small enough. Show you what I'm using. I'm just using her normal food, which is this size. So actually, even when the lid is sealed up, we can pop those through the hole like so. So we'll be able to pop them in like that. So here we go. That's 35 grams. Put the lid on. I'm going to put some paper around the top of that lid, and then we will give it to her and see how she gets on. Get it. So yeah, that took 5 minutes for her to eat 35 grams from her Pringles tube. So there you go. So nice, easy, hopefully cheap way, and you enjoyed the Pringles as well, to make a dog toy. There we go. Do you want your picture by it? Good girl.